Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Hi kids! In this video, we will learn English simple sentences. Let's get started. I have a cat. I have a cat. The sun is hot. The sun is hot. She is my friend. She is my friend. I like to play. I like to play. He is happy.
Wow.
He is happy. It is raining. It is raining. He has a ball. He has a ball. I have a dog. I have a dog. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.